So with the fuel pump disconnected and the car smelling of fuel, there is one issue that I want to solve. So if I turn that there, the window wiper, oh, that's not how you window wipe. The window wiper is not turning. So I've got to diagnose what that issue is, whether it needs cleaning off, whether there's a fuse gone. I'm not 1000% sure. So let's work this out. So from looking at all the old school jumper fuses, they seem to be okay. And also the same fuse, I believe, that runs through to the washer fluid, which we know works, is not causing any issue. So I'm gonna have to take this cowl off, which is by removing a couple of screws here, and then it should just wiggle out. And then I should be able to get the motor to see if I can put direct power to it, to see if it's seized, working or not. All these fuses, unfortunately, are gonna be useless for what we're doing right now. So in the future, we might change that to a newer style fuse board. But my electrical tester here is going to work nicely, and then I'm also going to need a couple of screwdrivers. With the way the window wiper is at the moment, it's actually quite difficult to get these off, so hopefully I'm able to get them off without having to sort of force anything out of the way. After removing the two screws, we should be able to lift the cowl out, but it hasn't been removed in many years, so let's see how that goes. I'm just going to put these over here for now. And apparently you're supposed to just be able to wiggle it out, but I don't want to break anything because it's all very old and brittle. Might take some of this off as well just to get it out of the way. Everything's so wet and old in this car. It feels like there's other screws here, so I'm just going to check around to see if there's anything else holding it on, because there might be somewhere in the fenders. So just as I thought, there is a what looks like 8mm on both sides, just under these little rubberized pieces. So let's get to that. So now is the tricky part of just wiggling this out. Apparently we should just be able to just about get the right angle to get the cowl out. I might need two hands for this, so I might put the GoPro down and see. So the wiper will not move even an inch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some WD on some of these components and the actual wiper itself and see if we can loosen her slowly up. I wish we had a sponsor by WD-40 because this stuff is great. So basically anything metal component that moves, we're going to spray and see if we can get moving by hand first. So now that this thing is doused, this is what I'm doing before testing anything electrically or pulling anything out. We're going to see if we can get it moving by hand and then see if the motor works just by us moving back and forth and getting rid of any old gunk. And still nothing is wanting to even slightly budge, even when gently going back and forth. So it might be the motor is completely jammed. So unfortunately, to get power through to where I need to essentially, which is right over underneath at the back, which is tucked way down there, you can see the actuator there, the motor. I'm gonna have to take everything off, including the wiper itself, which I've heard is a bit of a pain, but I'm gonna give it a crack now.
So picking up from where Chris left off, we are going to remove these 4 bolts. There's one up in there as well, and then one around the corner here. We're going to spray them heavily with some WD-40.
Give them a second coating.
So this one looks like it's coming off quite nicely, which is good. It's these two here that I'm actually quite worried about. But in terms of that, nice, that one's come off nice and loose. I think that just came off. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, no, there's no way. So I can't get to that one at the back.
I didn't realise.
Because that doesn't fit like that, so I'm trying to put this on first, but it won't actually fit because of this piece here. Okay, so we're just pulling the sides off of this cover. I can't get my hand underneath on.
There we go. And then this comes up like that. So it like comes up and slides out. Although, this looks different to what I've seen before though. So it turns out we don't have to remove that, we don't think. So we're gonna put that back on and try something else instead. So somehow Lex has got the wiper to move. Right, okay.
So
this is
this
good
just
sign.
needed like greasing.
So just needed really lubing. So let's get it out of the way because we still have to take the whole assembly off anyway because we need to make sure all this mechanism's good.
No, it's not coming off now because this is just moving it. It's just spinning it up.
Oh, there's the shaft thing I was on about. Oh, that's sick.
Yeah, because this just spins, it doesn't come off. I need like a
That will have to impact, I think.
It doesn't need to come off, look, because if I can spin it all the way around, I can get to it because it'll move up there. Hey.
Let's go.
And then you spin it back the other way.
The world's slowest wiper.
Oh, no, now I can get to the thing, now I can get to that ball.
It moves though. Do you think, before we take it apart, do you think we test it? To see if it now works?
Oh, that one does not want to come off.
Oh, sorry. Just to note, before we had no movement.
Slow.
She's trying. So was that when you did the screen wash thing?
Well, I did screen wash, but now I'm turning it. That's on that. There we go.
It's slowly starting to move again.
So
is that moving normally?
I don't know what's off anymore. Okay, right, that's off.
She's trying.
That's done. Right, this is like middle speed.
Okay, she needs lubing up.
And then this is second speed, third speed when I do the screen wash.
I think screen wash is the other way now. Is the screen wash not coming out though?
Where's the screen wash come from? No, screen wash didn't come out.
So the screen wash was working before, so...
Maybe it's because you've lifted it up.
Okay, so I guess we just lube it all back up.
It goes up and down.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
So we're just going to lube it up and see if that works then. Out the sides. So now with the dodgy grease, you don't even need to take the top off. If you just fold it over, it'll just start pissing grease out of a corner. There you go. So now what we're going to do is grease this shaft. You're going to have to use your finger. And then hopefully we'll get it moving nice and smooth again.
Okay, we're going to turn this thing on, and it's weird that the key, where you put the key in, is over the other side. So, you ready?
Yeah.
I'm indicating as well. Oh, how do you stop indicating? Okay.
What we'll also do is we'll use some silicone spray.
Oh right, that's speed 1. The stalks are a little bit rubbed off, so I think I want to get new stalks at some point.
Pause it, X. Oh, well, when it's over here.
What, just stop it?
Just stop it, yeah?
No! That's the wrong way, sorry. Okay, so pulling this up, it should make a little click like that, and then it'll be loose. And then, honestly, I can't remember how you get these out. I don't know.
Little, like, push down?
Yeah, I was going to say, it's like a push and pull. Because I think I've got these ones on the MR2 as well.
It's the new style of wiper. Oh, God.
I just can't remember how you get them out.
Probably doesn't help that this one's seized.
I don't know, really. No. Oh, there we go. There's like a push and then, yeah, there you go. Oh, she's crusty. So we just gave the wiper a clean off with some silicone spray, and Chris has just popped it back on, and we're gonna see if that has done anything. So it's doing well, which is good because it's just bound to rain, so at least we've got a windscreen wiper now. Yeah, just right underneath. Yeah, you see those bits underneath there? Yeah, that's what's sort of slowing it. But I mean, I think that's okay, to be fair. It's wiping, right? So
that past MOT, it's getting
yeah, nice. So it's starting to hail right now. So we are going to really, really quickly put all of these back where they need to be.
If they line up.
If they line up, there we go.
Tool.
Yeah, I'll try that one and that one. There we go. And then that one should be fine. And there. Lovely. And then there should be a nut in there. Have I got that in my pocket? Yes. And then it just goes underneath there. It's not working because the lid's up. So we are just going to do a quick wiper fluid test because when the engine lid was up, it wasn't putting the wiper fluid. Is it pulled towards you?
But it might not do it if the car's not started, maybe.
Oh, we don't want to start the car.
Which we can't. We can't start the car.
So that's a different problem. Okay, so we're just figuring out the sunroof situation.
Pulls down.
Right.
Yeah. So it's now leaned down.
What?
Now you got to push back.
It's got this like stupid handle on it. Wait, it goes into the headliner.
Yeah.
That's mental. Wait, so
like, right now it's come down.
oh
It's
no,
like
but
bent
now
down.
it's like now I can't push it back up.
Oh no.
Oh no, it's stuck. Oh, okay. Oh no, this is
Now the roof is half open.
Wait, what? Oh no way! That's so cool. Okay.
Using WD-40 and WD-40 silicone spray. Come on, Lex. Oh no way, it's moving. Okay, she needs a bit more WD, I think. She's a bit rough. No. This is your little head popped up there.
So we managed to fully open the sunroof and it goes all the way into the headliner, which is so sick. I've never seen that before.
It is grimy.
I'm obsessed with it. Yeah, it's a little bit grimy and we've had to sort of spray a lot of WD-40 to get it to open, but these tracks look pretty clean, to be fair. Once they've been greased up in this bit as well and cleaned off, I think they'll be alright.
So you want us to re-grease them while we're at it?
Probably, yeah. So whole update on that situation. I got a new wiper, I fitted it yesterday. It's a little bit smaller than the other one, but that's not a big deal. And then the sun strip will go on as well, and I guess the front end will somewhat look back together. Chris and James also temporarily put my front bumper back on for me yesterday, so it's gonna have to come straight back off because we're gonna do the radiator this weekend, but it's getting there, guys. It's getting there. Just stick with it, trust the process. It's gonna look gangster as fuck.